Hello friends, I am Ulvia. Today's journey takes us from the city of Nakhchivan to one of Ordubad's hidden gems, Goygol. I woke up early at dawn and hit the road. This is my second trip with a tour group, and this time I'm traveling with my sister and father. At the moment, it's morning in Nakhchivan and already 35 degrees Celsius. It usually rises to 42 degrees Celsius by midday. Goygol is approximately 18 kilometers away from the city. The journey was quite interesting, passing through different villages and dry steppe landscape. The region has a semi-desert climate, so the lowlands are very dry in late summer. But where we're heading, it still feels like spring. Goygol sits at an altitude of nearly 3,000 meters. We had to switch cars along the way. Only off-road vehicles like Niva or Oasis can make it to the top. One of the mountains I saw in Ordubad reminded me of Mount Goygol in the Kazakh region. After driving for a while, we mistakenly ended up in the village, but later turned back. We took a break in Best Village and enjoyed some freshly ripened mulberries. Eventually, the paved road turned into a dirt track. The ride became really bumpy, and I was quite scared as we drove along cliffside paths. We even crossed the stream by driving right through it. It felt like proper adventure. No, just take a moment to listen to the sound of the flowing stream. And finally, we arrived at the foot of the Zangezur Mountains. As we got closer, we could really feel the change in climate. The view was breathtaking, snow on one side, blooming flowers on the other, the second of blossoms mixed with the breeze of autumn. One moment the sun was shining, the next it was cloudy. The water kept shifting between cool and slightly warm, and we even had a bit of rain. Our tour group grilled and kebabs and brewed with tea in a samovar. I enjoyed my cup of tea while taking in the amazing view. There were other local and foreign tourists as well. The National TV channel Nutkan was there, and I even gave a short interviews as local tourist. You can watch the report if you're interested.
Gəlmişdim. Gələrkən çox çətin, çox əzəmətli yollardan keçdik. Amma bura çatandan sonra gördüm ki, həqiqətən dəydi. 4 fəsli birdən yaşamanın, buranın təbii havası, aurası insana çox gözəl təəssürat bəxş elədi. Bura Naxçıvanın incisi, göz bəbəyidir deyə bilərəm.
Görmək, muzeyləri gəzmək və yeməklərin dadına baxmaq idi. Bu bizim üçün böyük şansdır. Bir neçə gün öncə UNESCO-nun ilkin siyahısına daxil olmuş bir gölü görmək böyük xoşbəxtlik oldu. Yol çətin idi. Bizim üçün
Later, I spent some lovely time with my father and sister, and of course, took plenty of photos. As we started to pack up, a light rain began to fall. It was time to say goodbye to this unforgettable place.
We live with beautiful memories and even more beautiful pictures. On the way back, we stopped at the Highland pasture in Ordubad and watched flocks of sheep, softans and shepherds. Then we headed back through the remote reeds of Julfa. Finally, we visited Zanjidar Park for a short walk before continuing our journey. We took a short break in Bey Ahmed village and tasted some unripe apricots. Just like every day, this one has also come to an end. Until we meet again in another adventure, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on YouTube and Instagram. Goodbye.